हेलो एवरीवन, इस वीडियो में ड्रेनेज चैप्टर पर बेस्ड 100 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व की जाएगी। और इस वीडियो का पर्पज़ यह है कि जो वन शॉट के जरिए इस चैप्टर को पढ़ा गया उसका रिवीजन किया जा सके, और दूसरा कि यदि कोई फैक्ट जो एनसीईआरटी में मेंशन्ड हो और वो वन शॉट में छूट गए हों किसी भी कारण से, उसे इस वीडियो के जरिए कवर अप कर ले। तो चलिए शुरुआत की जाए। सबसे पहला जो सवाल है वो है द एरिया ड्रेन्ड बाय अ सिंगल रिवर सिस्टम इज कॉल्ड, तो इसका आंसर होगा ड्रेनेज बेसिन। Next question is, any elevated area like a mountain that separates two drainage basin is called water divide. Third question is, the world's largest drainage basin is of Amazon. ये एनसीईआरटी में मेंशन है, Amazon. Next question is, most of the Himalayan river are perennial. Next question is, which river has the largest basin in India? So the answer is Ganga. A dendritic pattern is formed when river follows the slope. The Indus river rises in Tibet near of what? Near of Mansarovar lake. Next question is, which river enters India through Ladakh? Which rivers enters India through Ladakh? So that is Indus. The Indus water treaty was signed in 1960. According to Indus Water Treaty, India can use only dash percentage of the water. So the answer will be 20%. Next is, Bhagirathi and Alaknanda joined at where? Devaprayag. And what they form? They form Ganga. The length of the Ganga river is over 2500 kilometer. This is the length of the Ganga. Which city is located on the water divide between Indus and Ganga? Which city? So the city is Ambala. The Brahmaputra is known as dash in Tibet. What it is known? It is known Sangpo, and in Bangladesh Jamuna. Just because question has only asked in Tibet, so answer will be Sangpo. Next question is, Brahmaputra takes a U-turn at Namcha Barwa. Next question. The largest inhabited riverine island in the world is Majuli. Brahmaputra is known as dash in Bangladesh. What it is called? Jamuna. Next question is, Ganga and Brahmaputra join and flow into the Bay of Bengal as Meghna. Next question is, the Sundarban Delta is home to Royal Bengal tiger. Which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? That is Kosi. The main water divide in peninsular India is formed by Western Ghats. Which of these is a west flowing river? So west flowing river is Narmada. Narmada rises in the Amarkantak hills. Where it is present? It is present in Madhya Pradesh. Next question is, the marble rocks and Dhuadhar falls are associated with Narmada. The next question is, Tapi river rises in the dash district of MP. What is the name of the district? That is Betul. The largest peninsular river is Narmada, Godavari, Krishna, Mahanadi. This is Godavari. Okay, Godavari is also known as, what it is known? It is also known as Dakshin Ganga, Vridha Ganga, Dakshin Ganga and Vridha Ganga, both A and B. Next is, the length of Godavari river is about 1500 kilometer. Mahanadi rises in the highlands of Chhattisgarh. Next is, Krishna river rises from a spring near of Mahabaleshwar. Next is, Tungabhadra and Musi are tributaries of Krishna. The Kaveri rises in the Brahmagiri range. Next is, which river makes the second biggest waterfall in India? Second, the answer will be Kaveri. 71% of the world's surface is covered with water, but only dash amount of percent is fresh water. So answer will be 3%. Next question is, Ular Lake in Jammu and Kashmir is a result of what? Result of tectonic activity. Sambhar Lake in Rajasthan is a dash. So what is Sambhar Lake in Rajasthan? It is saltwater lake. A lake formed when a meandering river is cut off is Oxbow Lake. Okay. Oxbow Lake will be the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Shilika, Pulicat and Koleru are what? These are lagoons. Next is the Guru Gobind Sagar is an example of human-made lake. Next is National River Conservation Plan NRCP was initiated in. When it is initiated? It is initiated in 1995. Which of the following rivers flows through a rift valley? So Narmada, Damodar, Tapi, all of these. Next is the river Ganga is fed by which glacier? So answer will be Gangotri. Which tributary of Ganga rises in the Nepal Himalayas? So that will be Kosi. Next is the drainage pattern formed on a mountain peak is radial. Most of the peninsular rivers drain into Bay of Bengal. Which river forms an estuary? The answer will be Godavari. No, Narmada will be the answer. The river that flows through a gorge in Arunachal Pradesh, that is Brahmaputra. Ambala is located on the water divide between Indus and Ganga. Next question is which of the following is a saltwater lake? That is Sambhar. The Sundarban Delta got its name from Sundari tree. The drainage pattern where tributaries join at right angles, that is trellis. The length of the Indus River is 2900 km. Which state does the Tapi basin not cover? That is Rajasthan. The largest river of the Rajasthan desert is Luni. Which river flows through Ladakh, Gilgit and Pakistan? So that is Indus. The Ganga enters the plains at Haridwar. The next question is which river is a right bank tributary of the Ganga? So that is Son. The Brahmaputra has a braided channel in its entire length in Assam. Which lake is located in Odisha, and that is Shilika. Lakes are of great value to human beings because they regulate river flow. All of these. Which river originates from the Byas Kund? Byas Kund से जो originate Byas. The river also known as Singhi Khamban, that is Indus. Which part of the Indus basin lies in India? That is which part? 1/3. Which part? 1/3. Okay, fine. The next question is Ganga's main stream Bhagirathi is fed by Gangotri. The Yamuna flows parallel to the Ganga. Correct. Which river flows through the state of Chhattisgarh? The answer is Mahanadi. The total length of Narmada is 1312 km. The Tapi basin covers part of MP and Gujarat. Which of these is a tributary of Godavari? And that is Purna, Vardha, Penganga, all of these. Next question is the Krishna basin is shared by MH Karnataka. Next, the Amravati and Bhavani are tributaries of Kaveri. Second biggest waterfall in India is Shiv Samundram. Next question is Most of the freshwater lakes are in where? Himalayan region. Dal Lake and Nainital are freshwater lakes. Next question is, rivers are the backbone of economy, agriculture, civilization, all of these. River pollution is caused by urbanization, industrialization, domestic waste, all of this. Gap, Ganga Action Plan phase 1 started in where it started? It started in 1985. Next question is, the river Chenab is a tributary of which river? Tributaries of Indus River. Next question is, the river Brahmaputra in Tibet carries what? It carries less silt. The next question is, the delta of Ganga Brahmaputra is the largest and the fastest growing, both A and B. Next, which river basin is known as rice bowl of India? Rice bowl of India, and that is Mahanadi. Himalaya rivers are different from peninsular because they are perennial. Which river rises in the Betul district of MP? So that is Tapi. The Dhuadhar Falls is in which state? So answer will be MP. Which river has the name Bridhaganga? Which river? That is Godavari. Okay. Which river's source is the Mahabaleshwar, and that is Krishna. Which of the following is not a peninsular river? So answer will be Alaknanda. The drainage pattern where river moves over a rectangular joint set. So answer will be rectangular. Which river drains into the Arabian Sea? So Godavari, Sabarmati. The Mahanadi basin does not cover what? It does not cover? That Kerala. The Ganga water is diverted at dash to Bangladesh, Farakka. Where it is situated? It is situated in West Bengal. The length of the Brahmaputra is slightly longer than Indus. Next question is, the river Kosi is often called what? It is called sorrow of Bihar. Lakes help in flood control, drought mitigation, ecology, all. Chilika Lake is in which state? Chilika Lake is situated? So it is situated in Odisha. Which river originates from the Amarkant? So the answer will be both A and B, Narmada and Son. India has dash percentage of total water as fresh water. So the answer will be 2.5%. The Godavari rises in Nasik. Which is a man-made lake? Rana Pratap Sagar. The drainage density is highest in plains. So these were 100 multiple choice question based on the chapter which name is drainage.